Hey YouTube, Berserker Nick down here at Walker's Bike Shop. Say hi to Chris.
What's up?
Say hi to Tim.
Hello.
So I'm gonna finish up the Haro. I got to get this out of the way and off the rack so other bikes can get built. So let's go ahead and get that done. But first off, I want to give a huge shout out to Michael Hoff over at Apex Welding for all the work that he's done on the frame for this so far. So let's point out some of the things he's done for me, and then I'll throw a little clip with his card. If any of you guys need any machining or welding done, he's an awesome person. He'll get your stuff done and you won't ever have an issue. So here we go. All right, so when I got this bike, the dropouts were all messed up. Michael machined those nice and smooth out to a 14 millimeter for me so that I could run these awesome Skyway Mags with a 14 mil axle. Also, he did some work for me. I'm going to be getting rid of this lower gyro cup and I'm going to be putting an aluminum plate in there. Took an Odyssey calloway upper plate and machined it out so that it'll fit as a lower plate because I'm going to be running a Gyro XL on this. All right, let's get to the build. So Chris, you just took this thing for a little test ride. What do you think?
This thing is so cool. It is so awesome. It rides so, like, it's stout, smooth. Man, it's a work of art.
It is a work of art.
It's so cool. These cranks, man, sick.
Dude, it looks so good out here in the sun.
That's one badass build.